If you want to professionally add video creator title to your Instagram profile using your any iPhone, let's see the process. For that, first you have to open up your Instagram app and go to your profile. Then hit the hamburger menu in the top right corner. Scroll down and select account tabs and tools. Now under the professional section, just go ahead and choose switch to professional account. Now tap next, and when you reach the category list, scroll through and you will find this video creator at the last. Or if you can't find it, just simply search video creator and you will find it here. And now make sure to toggle on display on profile so it shows up publicly. After that, continue with the steps and confirm everything to complete the switch. And just like that, you will now see video creator right there in your Instagram bio. Isn't it really easy? I hope this guide helpful. Like the video and subscribe for more tips.